Anne.
Yes, Ann Tyler Hall. We help businesses avoid six-figure and seven-figure IRS and DOL ERISA legal compliance penalties. I'm an ERISA employee benefits attorney from Atlanta, Georgia.
Tell us a little bit about when you joined and where was your firm then and where are you now?
So I joined in October 2015. I left a large law firm in 2014, and my first year, my goal was to break even, and I made $45,000, which was just about enough to cover my expenses. So my family said, if you start losing money, you gotta find another alternative. So I broke even the first year, and when I came to HTM, I was about to hit 170 in revenue.
170,000.
Yes.
Well, and where are you now?
We did 1,312,000 this past year.
And you just had your second baby.
And we had a baby 12 weeks ago, so
Awesome.
on the side.
Tell us about the difference on your maternity leave the first time and the second time, because this is your second baby.
Yeah, I mean, we've heard Tom allude to the challenges with staff, and I think that was one of the hardest things is I remember early on talking to someone that I really respected. He was an employment attorney, and he said, I will never hire staff because I've seen so many horror stories and so many litigation claims come across my desk. And that was something that I had to battle, because you cannot grow and sustain a firm unless you have staff. And so that was maybe a terror barrier that I had to work through, hiring staff and train them. And I didn't do a great job in the beginning. And so we hired individuals that didn't have much experience and just didn't share the vision of the firm. And so with my first child in March 2017, I had daughter on Friday and was really back working that Monday. And so this 12 weeks ago, we have put in place good staff, a good team, and I was really able to take a little bit more of a step back. But it is, we talk about leveraging and finding ways to preserve your time, but that has, for me, taken time. And I still haven't found a good replacement. We're working on that so that I can take more of a step back and have a little bit more family time and creative thinking time. But it takes time and persistence. And so that would be the message that I have. And disappointments and pushing through those, right? Every time we had to let someone go, that was painful. Those were painful experiences. So I think we talk about, I think, at how to manage. There's also the idea that you do what most people don't want to do, and that's how you grow and continue to sustain and grow your firm. And I have found that to be very true.
Yes, but you do that with support and guidance,
Yes,
right? So you
absolutely.
Don't have to make the
with
mistakes.
accountability, with professionals who coach you through that. That is absolutely critical. So the CEO program that we've been part of has been a tremendous helped us. Our CEO at the time, when we were going through a lot of staff problems, said, you'll make it through this. And sometimes that's just all you need.
Mm-hmm.